Good morning. I hope you are doing well. For those of you who are new, my name is Natalie. My channel centers primarily around non-toxic makeup, wellness, a little bit of fashion here and there. So welcome if you are new and welcome back if you've been here before. So today is May 9th. I wanted to come up here. It's 7:30 in the morning, so it's very early. I've been up for the last 15 minutes. I haven't even drinking tea yet. But I wanted to come on here. I want to start documenting, and I'll have a whole entire video dedicated to it. But I started literally last night. I used this product on my face. It's a vitamin C serum, and I'm going to document. As you can see, I have like 5 different shades on my face between the dark circles and a little bit here too. But in any case, I want to see what using vitamin C serum is going to do for my skin. And I'll have a whole entire video dedicated to that. But this is really my first day, and I just wanted to come on here. But the focus of the video, besides vlogging, the focus of the video today is going to be do-it-yourself, keeping your plants healthy and keeping the bugs away. Okay, great. So I am just about to make the neem oil pesticide, and this pesticide is really great if you have spider mites, you have, how do you call these, moth larvae, Japanese beetle, white flies. It's just very convenient. You know, the scent of neem oil reminds me a little bit of sesame oil. So the scent does not bother me, but anyway, I'm going to mix a little bit of neem oil into warm water. As you can see, this is a 30-ounce bottle sprayer that you can find pretty much anywhere at Target. You can find it on Amazon. I filled it halfway, and I may empty it a little bit more maybe because I don't want to use it all in one shot. I don't have enough plants to use it in one shot. And my understanding is that you need to make a fresh batch of this every time you need to use it. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you know anything about these things, feel free to let me know. But I don't want to make too much of it and have it kind of sit overnight and use it the next day. And because I'm not 100% sure, I would rather just make a fresh one every single day. To the warm water that I have in this sprayer, I am going to add some Castile soap. So my Castile soap already has essential oil, peppermint essential oil. I love peppermint. This whole bottle, by the way, I think I mentioned it in another one of my videos, will literally last you the year. So it's a great investment. It needs to be, you use it, you have to dilute it. So this is really a great investment. But anyway, for our purpose today, if you don't have peppermint scent soap or dish soap, you can add maybe 4 or 5 drops of peppermint oil to the mix. The reason why you need to add dish soap to the mix is to break the oil. Okay, so I am just going to put a little bit, actually I'm going to make a little bit less of that. I'm going to put just a little bit of neem oil. I'm just going to eyeball it between 1 or 2 teaspoons, depending on how potent you want it to be. And when it comes to Bronner soap, because it is so highly concentrated, right? It looks like nothing right now. I should only put a fraction of this, just very, very little. Ooh, it's already too much. Oh man, let's see. So just a little tiny bit of this, and then you just want to shake it. Let's see. And because it's cloudy today, it started off so sunny, remember? But because it is now so cloudy, and look at that mix, right? As long as you don't see the oil coming back at the top here, you're fine. Right? You just want to make sure it's mixed. and then you are ready to go out. Oh, and I was saying, as it's overcast outside right now, just trying the spray and probably can hear it. All right, so let's head outside and let's do this. Let's do this. It is so great out that I decided to bring my plants indoors. Yeah, so that little cart has definitely come in handy. I don't like what the weather is doing. I don't even know. I think late last night it was snowing here. It's never bad. No, it's May. It feels like November. It's actually May 9th, and it feels like it's about to snow any minute. In the spirit of full disclosure, this was supposed to come much later during the season, but because of everything that's going on in the world, I have ordered quite a few things from different retailers, and it's taking a little more time than usual to get here. I have a couple of DIYs. Actually, I have 3 DIYs that are lined up. I have the vitamin C serum review that I want to do, but I want to wait maybe 2 or 3 weeks, maybe actually 3 to 4 weeks before I give my full review. And talking on that topic, I also found a couple of recipes on how to make your own vitamin C serum. So if you have any interest in learning, first of all, about that vitamin C serum that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, and learning how to make your own vitamin C serum, you should definitely let me know in the comment section. Second thing, I also ordered some items from Etsy, and Etsy is very close to my heart. The website, how would I describe Etsy? Etsy is the equivalent of eBay, but for handcrafted items. Oh, it's not even, scratch that. It's a retailer that is centered around handcrafted items and vintage items. Here you go. I think that's the best description of Etsy that I can give. So if you're looking for something unique, you're looking for something handcrafted, made with love, head on over to Etsy. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but I used to have a shop on Etsy, and I know how much work and effort it takes into working on your own packaging, on your own product, and making it better and making it competitive. So I am really looking forward to receiving those items for Etsy. I ordered items that are beauty related, and yeah, I cannot wait to try those out. And if you're familiar with if there are any products that are handcrafted, non-toxic, beauty related that you want me to review on this channel, please let me know. I also ordered some loungewear because with everything that's going on right now, the trend, I think, for most of us is to, just wear our favorite t-shirt, our favorite joggers, and call it a day. For me, it is important every day to kind of not only worry about basic hygiene, right? But also kind of spruce myself up a little bit, wear a little bit of makeup, and get dressed in a way that is kind of semi-professional, so that, first of all, because I do a lot of Google Hangouts with my students, but also for my own mental health. We're not going outside, we're not interacting with people as much. I think it's important to still keep those little rituals that give us a sense of normalcy. And for me, getting dressed in the morning and sprucing myself up and taking care of my hair, trying something new, wearing makeup or not, but just wearing a little perfume, a little deodorant, those little details really make me feel that there's a sense of normalcy. So if I don't know, maybe that's just me. So that's one of the reasons why I ordered the loungewear. So anyway, I'm rambling. I'm telling you way too much more than you probably want to hear here. So if you don't want to miss out, if you're interested in learning about all these things that I just mentioned now, click on that bell, subscribe, like the video, comment, and let me know what you would like to see or what you like, what you didn't like, and let's start a conversation. Let's start a little community. There's only barely 1,000 of us. Let's just start chatting with each other. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this long, and I will see you next week.